Hola San Juan, ¿cómo estás? Es mi 30 10 in San Juan. That's it. Okay, this is my third day in San Juan, and I absolutely love the sun. It feels amazing over here. People are really nice. I feel like this was a much needed change from Boston, and although it's a lot of intensive work, I feel like this has like the right amount of what do you say, like right amount of letting go as well, right? Like you don't, like you can work until the evening, and then you can watch the sunset at the beach and then probably work again if you want. So I absolutely love that, in that sense, that you can you can just get back to the vibe of the city as and when you want. And the city is amazing as always. सैन जुआन तो बहुत बढ़िया जगह है यार. मैं तो बोलूँगा कि फैमिली के साथ पक्का आना कभी. बीचेस बहुत बढ़िया है यहाँ पे, बहुत अच्छे बीचेस है, और खाना भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. इंडिया से बेहतर नहीं है, बट बॉस्टन में था ना मैं कुछ दिन, बॉस्टन से काफ़ी बेहतर है, बहुत अच्छा है. कंपेयर टू बॉस्टन बहुत अच्छा खाना है. Hola. Hola. So I would say that it is a pretty good experience, and people are really nice. Like I think that has been the biggest difference for me, which is the people. Otherwise, what people used to do in Boston is that people didn't really want to talk in Boston, to be honest. And I'm a talker. I like to talk to people and just say like hello, or like just exchange greetings. And people didn't want that. So here people really want to talk. People want you to socialize. People want to speak with you, which I feel is like an amazing thing for me, at least. So yeah, this is the vibe of the city. Hola. And it really helps if you know like a little bit of Spanish. I'd say even a little bit helps, like "Estás? ¿Qué pasa?" stuff like that. And that can actually go a long way. That really goes a long way. Yes, we have a beach very close to our hotel, and that is where I'm heading. Okay, my hands are getting really tired right now. This was my first vlog from San Juan, and this is the beach, guys. This is the beach.
the stuff?
I just bought this.
That's it. What photos are you taking?
What photos am I taking?
Yeah.
Okay. So there's this interesting thing. So in Indian don't step on that. So in Indian mythology,
Yeah.
there's a character called Ram. Have you heard of it?
Yeah.
You have, right? So it is said like in the story he creates a bridge across to Sri Lanka.
Okay.
So it is said that like if you write Ram, so this is in Hindi it is Ram. So like if you write it on the beach, the waves will take it. And it almost every time it happens, that's why I'm just like waiting until the waves take this from me.
But give me my phone. Can you take some pictures of it?
Sure. See, I have an amazing vlog coming up.
Yeah?
Is there something that you'd like to say for my first vlog in San Juan?
Absolutely. Do what makes you happy.
Heard it. And what if it makes your parents unhappy? What would you say?
I would say apologize later. Do it now.
You hear it, guys. You heard from Kylie herself. So I just loved how free I was with the vlog. So like this was the first time I was filming a vlog, and I just kept. So I started in Spanish, and I was like,
Oh,
"Fuck,
really?
I can't speak Spanish. Let me switch to English," and then I switched to Hindi,
Oh, I love
which was good as well. And the funny thing was, my hands started to feel the camera came down like this, and it just went like I'll just hold it like this, and like I had this horrible angle for a while.
I love that. No, I really like the framing of the photos.
Yeah.
I love the portraits.
I really love that. The dog is so excited to get back in the water. I just want to own a dog someday.
Yeah?
Yeah. I do have a cat. And
You have a cat? That's so cute. I love cats.
so the interesting thing is that she still recognizes my voice.
That's so cute.
And like if I am ever on a video call with my parents, she's there.
That's so cute.
She wants to be.
You miss her?
Yeah. It's funny because I miss her the most. I don't really know what to say.